Magandang gabi. Narito na ang 9 p.m. Lotto result. Araw ng Sabado, September 7, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto, 9 p.m. draw. 1 and 19 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto, 9 p.m. draw. 6, 5, and 5 in exact order. Sa 6D Lotto, ang winning numbers natin ay 1, 2, 9, 2, 5, and 9 in exact order with the first prize of 4,346,019 pesos and 88 centavos. At ito naman po ang breakdown ng 6D Lotto with their corresponding prizes. Sa Lotto 642, ang winning numbers natin ay 36, 29, 10, 40, 30, and 5 in any order with a jackpot prize of 5,940,000 pesos. At ang inabangan nating Grand Lotto 655 na may jackpot prize of 281,263,080 pesos. Winning numbers are 31, 3, 17, 47, 24, and 20 in any order. At may dalawang nanalo na po ng 281 million. Congratulations! At abangan natin bukas ang Ultra Lotto 658 draw na may estimated jackpot of more than 142 million. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.